Go ahead. Clean it up. All done. It's gonna get dirty again. You can do the other ball. That's for the birdies. Yeah, you want to wash it?
Yeah.
You can wash it if you want. Yeah, you can put it in the water. It needs to get clean. Yeah, yes please. There you go. That is so good. Very clean. Yeah. You can do some more. Oh, good. Very good. You're all done? Okay, bud. Thank you. Yeah. Yeah, you can clean him. Oh, okay. Sam, I found a worm. Where's your bug thing? Here. Open it.
Is it more?
Yeah, it's over here.
Whoa.
He's having some struggles. You want me to pick him up?
Yeah.
All right, Mr. Worm. Excuse me. Woo! You got a worm. What's his name?
Bat.
Bat?
Bo.
What's his name?
Bo.
Bo?
Bat.
Bat. His name is Bat. I like it.
Is he the bat?
Yeah. He might want to be in the nice dirt over there. That's a nice place to put him.
Oh no, stop.
He's stuck. Mr. Bat, you need to get out. Get out. There we go. Look at him crawling.
It's funny.
Wow.
Get it out. You wanted it.
Yeah.
It's funny.
So funny. Here, you can put those back in the bucket if you want. Right here. Thank you.
No, don't.
You're all done? Okay, bud.